Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will discuss about the international conference that will be published in that your research paper will get published in the different subject, and this conference will publish your research paper with the Scopus Index journal. So most important thing about this journal is there is no need to go there. So you can present your research paper and article through video conferencing, web conferencing that will be provided by the conference editors. So most important thing, the journal title and also the conference date November 27th and 28th 2020 at Mumbai. So this is a kind of golden opportunity to rapidly publication your research paper in the Scopus Index journal. And very important thing about this concept, so the CEMS Conference 20 is jointly organized by IDES. So this is the kind of joint venture of these types of the agencies and kind of organization. So all the registered paper will be published by the Green Scientific Society, and you can see here the previous Scopus Index issue. So if you are going to publish your research paper with this type of the journal, so your research paper will get published with the Scopus Index issue. So this is a kind of golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this conference and through this conference. So what types of the topics covered by this journal there are that this is a very important thing to know being a researcher. So here 4 tracks are available. First one is the computer science and IT, second one is the electrical electronics, and third one is the mechanical engineering, and the most last one is the civil engineering. So these type of the researchers can publish their research paper in this quick publication journal and quick publication conference, and also Scopus Index conference. So this is a kind of great opportunity to publish your article in this conference. So call for paper, just click on the call for paper. So what types of the topics under these type of the 4 disciplines, computer science, mechanical, electrical, civil. So under the computer science ages, so you can explore these type of the topics covered by this computer science and IT researcher. And under the electronics and electrical and electronics, so these type of the topics covered by this conference. And next one, mechanical journal, what types of the topics. So these are the types of the topics covered by mechanical journal, mechanical. And after that, civil engineering journal. So under the civil engineering track, so these are the following topics that can be publish your research paper in this particular conference. So and also the Gmail ID is also given here. To if you are having any kind of the doubt or issues regarding this conference, so you can just put a mail to the editor or conference organizer. So definitely they will revert back to you. Now call for keynote. So this is a golden opportunity to all the researchers and also faculty member. If you are a faculty member and as a scientist and as a faculty members, professor, associate professor, so this is a golden opportunity to be a kind of a keynote speaker. So you can be a keynote speaker. So if you are interested for this type of the invited speech or keynote talk, so you can also participate in this. So just you have to fill a form. So just click on this particular link. So here it will be a kind of sign up form, all the credentials you have to fill out about your topics and all the things. So accordingly they will select you and they will revert back to you, and one-to-one communication from the conference organizer committee. And these are the kind of topics are available. So if you have to choose from these type of the topics and you are your research area in this particular topic, so definitely this is a golden opportunity to be as a keynote speaker or as a invited speaker. So this is a golden opportunity to all the professor. Most important dates. So most important date is last date of paper submission 15th of October. So most probably you will have a 1 month sufficient time from today. So 15th of October तक आपको अपना research paper submit करना है. Acceptance you will get within 5 days. So by 20th of October you will get notification about acceptance, minor changes or rejection, whatever. And camera ready paper you have to submit by November 15th, and paper registration date also 15 November, and co-author attendance, spouse registration, all the things by November 20th. And conference date is November 27 and 28. So 2 days conference by November 27 and 28. So this is a golden opportunity to be a participate to publish your research paper in this particular conference. So most important thing about this journal, if you are doing registration after this type of the date, so it will be treated as a specific date or kind of spot registration. So definitely you have to pay some extra money to publish your research paper. So let's move to the registration. What are the registration fees? So this section will cover all the registration fees. So here the section. So if you are an Indian and IDES member, then you have to pay 5,500 रुपये एंड अगर आप अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन पहले से कर रहे हैं बिफोर डेडलाइन, सो यू हैव टू पे ओनली 5,000 रुपीज. सो दिस इज ए काइंड ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस एंड चार्जेस for this type. So explore this section very carefully, and in this also you will also have the kind of template and research article preparation guidelines. So all the things are given here. So कैसे हम अपना research paper article इस particular conference के लिए prepare करेंगे. So all the things are also given here, and detailed of the copyright paper, all the things are given here. So they will communicate to you specific way. Now committee member, if you want to know committee member, and if you want to know about the venue, so here is venue detail, and they will also communicate to you. So venue is there is nothing, so because this conference is still online, so there is a golden opportunity to publish your research paper, to present your research paper through your home, work from home like. सो आप अपना वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू, वीडियो मोड के थ्रू अपना रिसर्च पेपर घर बैठे आप पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. सो देयर इज नो नीड टू गो देयर. सो दिस इज ए वर्चुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस, एंड कॉन्टैक्ट अस टैब will reflect to all the mail IDs. So if you are having any kind of doubt, so accordingly you have to ask them and they will resolve your query. Second one conference is ISMAC 2020, and these are all the tabs regarding this conference. So you have to explore each and every tab for the kind of details of this conference. So conference title is International Conference on ISMAC, IoT in Social, Mobile Analytics and Cloud. So this is a journal conference title, and this is IEEE conference, and your research paper will get published as they have mentioned Scopus source and all the things. So this is a kind of Scopus conference. So grab this opportunity to publish your research paper and article. So all the things are given here. Schedule also given here. So just click on this tab, so it will be redirected to schedule. And final paper submission deadline is the by 20 September. So you are having only 5 days remaining. So before 20 September your research paper will be accepted. So you can see here this is the general deadline, conference deadline. So आपको 20 September तक आपको अपना research paper article इसमें submit करना है. लास्ट डेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन की लास्ट डेट 25th ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर है, एंड देन कॉन्फ्रेंस डेट इज 7th and 9th October. So this is very close to organize this particular conference. So October, so most probably October 7th and 9th October date. So and the contact number also given here. If you are having any kind of doubt or issues regarding this particular conference, how to submit, and if you are having any kind of doubt, also you can just call these numbers. So definitely they will help out, and सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर available. IEEE ISBN number, all the things are given very transparently. So there is no opaque in this type of the detailing. सो क्विकली पब्लिकेशन है, बहुत अच्छे कॉन्फ्रेंस, और अभी बहुत ही पास आ चुकी है इसकी डेट. सो अभी आपके पास 5 डेज समथिंग का टाइम है, 5 to 6 डेज. आप अगर आपका रिसर्च पेपर आप तो 5 to 6 डेज में अगर आप रेडी कर सकते हैं तो कर लीजिए. बहुत अच्छी गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है स्कोपस के लिए और IEEE में अपना रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश करने के लिए. बाई 25th तक आपको अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करना. सो दिस इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो कीप दीज dates in mind. So accordingly you have to prepare your research paper. Call for paper section will reflect to the topics and titles, what types of the research area. So the theme of this conference you can see here: IoT platform architecture, IoT analytics, privacy provisioning, IoT. So these topics covered by this conference. So if you are a researcher in this type of the research area topics, then you can publish your research paper and article with this rapid publication conference. If you want to know about committee members, so all the details are given here in this tab. Now important dates, this is the important date about this particular conference. So by September 2020, paper submission deadline, registration date 25th of September, and conference date is 7 to 9 October 2020. Now keynote, so these details are given here. What are, how many members are as a keynote speakers, and all the things. Paper submission guidelines. So click here to submit your research paper. So just click on this particular link, so it will be redirected to the submission page. If you are having any issue, submit your manuscript directly, mail provided है. You can also submit your research paper through this mail also. सबमिट थ्रू इजी चेयर में आपका अगर अकाउंट है, अगर आपका नहीं है तो आप उस पर बना लीजिए, क्योंकि जितनी रेपुटेड कॉन्फ्रेंस होती हैं वो इजी चेयर के थ्रू ही सबमिशन करते हैं. सो यू कैन आल्सो सबमिट योर रिसर्च पेपर एंड टाइटल थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर इजी चेयर लिंक. सैम्पल IEEE फॉर्मेट, आपको अपना रिसर्च पेपर कैसे फॉर्म डिजाइन करना है, बनाना इस पर पर्टिकुलर कॉन्फ्रेंस में सबमिट करने के लिए. सो ऑल द टेम्पलेट आर गिवन हियर. ए डाउनलोड कॉपीराइट फॉर्म भी इन्होंने दे रखा है. तो आप यू कैन डाउनलोड ऑल बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ द टेम्पलेट एंड कॉपीराइट फॉर्म. एंड IEEE प्लेजरिज्म पॉलिसीज आल्सो गिवन हियर. सो रीड आउट दिस पॉलिसीज. कितने परसेंट यहाँ पर एक्सेप्टेड है, 50%, 20%. सो यू हैव टू रीड आउट ए वेरी केयरफुली. And also travel grant, so the travel grant will be provided for selected papers. So read out this section very carefully. It will be redirected to the particular submission page and preparation of research papers, all the thing. Now next one is the publication. So publication and indexing. So IEEE all right, and reserve paper will be submitted inclusion of IEEE Explorer. So if you, and also it this conference cover Scopus indexing also, so you can read out it carefully. The IEEE provides covered with all the IEEE Explorer digital. So all the things are given. So there is a kind of golden opportunity to publish your research paper in the IEEE Explorer that will be indexed in also Scopus. Registration detail. So this registration detail for Indian author. If you are a IEEE member, then you need to pay 6,000 rupee only, and non-Indian author, non-IEEE member 7,000 rupee. And Indian listeners, if you want to listen this conference, just you have to grab the knowledge कैसे कॉन्फ्रेंस पब्लिश. अगर आप एज ए स्टूडेंट हो, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम देखना चाहते तो आप 3,000 रुपये पे कर आप इसको कॉन्फ्रेंस को विजिट भी कर सकते हैं. आपको लिसन भी कर सकते हैं. सारे पेपर्स कैसे रिसर्चर्स अपने पेपर्स को रीड आउट करते हैं, प्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं, सारी चीज़ें आप यहाँ से भी नॉलेज को ग्रैब कर सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं. और these are the details about the foreigner. If you are a NRI, so this type of the fees you have to pay, and for each extra page you have to pay 500 rupee INR, and maximum number of page 8 size. And if your research paper having only 6 page, so then you need to pay, do not need to pay extra money. So just 6,000 rupee you have to pay. Venue section redirected to the venue. So SCAD Institute of Technology venue detail is also given here. So in Tamil Nadu you can see here, and contact. So this section also reflect to the organizers mobile number and also mail ID. So if you are having any kind of issues or regarding this conference, how to submit, how to publish, all the given information also given here. अगर आपको कोई इश्यूज आते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, कहीं पर आपको डाउट हो रहा है, तो आप यहाँ से अपनी क्वेरी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नंबर्स गिवन है, मेल आईडी भी गिवन है, तो आप डायरेक्टली ऑर्गेनाइजर को कांटेक्ट करके बात कर सकते हैं. डेफिनेटली दे विल हेल्प आउट. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो, सपोर्टिव लगा हो, तो अपना प्यार दिखाइए, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, एंड आल्सो help your friends by sharing this channel and this video. Thank you friends.